Let's face it, as we age, we get that kind of belly fat, in our midsection, and we might be exercising, we might be eating right, but there it is again, the muffin top, and it could be hormones, it could be water retention, but what I want to show you today is how to be slimmer before dinner, just using these 5 tips that I'm going to show you, and they don't involve, that tight binding shapewear. So let's get started on tip number 1. You want to look sharp, but your white top is making you look heavier around the waist as you're trying to hide your tummy with it over top of your pants. Let's slim up this look by tucking into the shirt into a higher waisted undies so we have a smooth line around the tummy. Next, I added a vest in black to give my belly the illusion of being smaller, and this vest was only around $30 last time I checked. Looking sharp without shapewear, just a vest to bring in the illusion of a smaller waist. And by the way, this vest has an adjustment at the back, so you can adjust your waist size to whatever you want. And talking about high-waisted undies, when I don't want to wear shapewear, I'm wearing jeans or something like that, I love these undies. They are 95% cotton, 5% spandex. They're 5 assorted in the multicolors for $25. Or what I also chose was the 5 in the black that were also $25. And as you can see by the waistband here, it really pulls me in, but it's not uncomfortable. And of course, you could find those undies underneath the video description, also in the comments. And of course, if you go to amazon.com/shop/awesomeover50, you'll find all my fashion favorites, plus my skincare favorites, makeup, even some of my housewares and kitchen goods as well. But for now, let's start on another styling tip to help look a little better around our midsection. And this is about the low-rise pants and the high-rise pants. Let's take a look. Here, I'm wearing a top over a pair of lower-rise jeans. Notice how I'm kind of like a sausage in these jeans with my muffin top spilling over. Now look at my tummy area with a higher waisted jeans. These are Lee jeans, and they were on sale last time I checked for just $35, and they're available in petite, regular, and tall sizing. Oh, and by the way, I know this top is a favorite of many of you, and if you haven't bought it yet, don't you just love the lace detail? Anyway, it's available in many colors at an amazing $15. And don't forget, know your own measurements and also compare them to every item that you order online with the size chart. Oh, and by the way, stay till the end of this video where I'm going to have another inspirational message for you. And this is all about how we self-judge our body image. But for now, I just want to show you a few of the tummy hugging waistbands that aren't Lee jeans. And this is a pair of, they're called yoga pace pants. There we go. They're nice and they're great for exercising or even just going for a walk. But you see what I'm talking about. You've got that higher waistband. Also, these are Rikuchi pants. They've got the faux fly on them and they've got the higher waistband. Again, we're pulling in here. And I also wanted to even show you a skirt and how this rises right up to the waist, and it's not as wide, but it certainly does pull you in where you need to be pulled in. And now let's look at another kind of style that makes your belly look bigger, and that is the oversized tops. We think we're hiding our belly, but we're making it look bigger. Now, Good news, I'm not asking you to throw out all of your oversized tops because I've got a solution for you, and that's these belts. These are just incredible belts, and they're kind of hideaways. They don't really have a big buckle on them, and they will bring your waist in. It'll give you more of an hourglass kind of figure, make you look more feminine, and you don't have that extra bulkiness of the shirt or the top. Hey, let's take a look at what I'm talking about. Here I have that lovely lacy sleeve top in blue over my high-waisted jeans, but I have no shape, and this extra material is actually making my tummy look bigger. These amazing no-buckle elastic belts come in assorted colors, and you get 4 of these, and last time I checked it was 4 for $10. Mix and match the belts with the colors of the belts with your outfits, but you can also make them almost invisible with a little nip and tuck. And if you like videos like these made by a woman that might be closer to your age, I would love, love, love for you to subscribe. There's a button down there somewhere. Oh, and don't forget to click on the notification bell, because if you don't, you won't probably see my videos. All right, and the next item we're going to talk about are sweaters. Now, how can adjusting your sweaters make you look slimmer before dinner? Let's take a look. This top, once again, over my jeans, makes me look heavier. And the cardigan is open, so I still look bigger. Now, if I tuck in my top into my undies, as I taught you before, and wear this more closed up sweater, oh, and by the way, this sweater is mostly cotton in many colors, up to size 2XL, and last time I checked, it was only $37. This makes me look slimmer, and it's an amazing sweater that's on trend and perfect for many occasions. And now let's talk for a minute about body image. And by the way, I've been putting up quite a few reels with my daughter Tara, who is in wellness, on exercising and body health. And if you go to instagram.com/lovingourage, you're going to find a few of the reels there, and I really hope they help. And I'm thinking of doing a full video here on, some simple exercising and also some chair yoga, other things that Tara teaches. So let me know in the comments if this is something like a full-length video that you would like to see here. And we got a few other things up our sleeves, so let me know that in the comments. But let's talk for a minute about our body image, and we might be eating right, we might be doing our exercising, but we are getting older, and a lot of research says this has this little midlife, whatever you want to call it, muffin top. Anyway, it has to do with hormones, sometimes it's water weight, we all know about that, and I think it's really important that we're not trying to be 20 again, and we start to say, okay, a little bit of weight's okay around my midsection, and we're not looking into stapling our stomachs or, getting those surgery nip and tucks or a lot of the other things that are on the market these days. Hey, if anybody should be fretting about her body image, it would be me. I used to be a former model. I used to always have to be a size 0. And now that I'm older, I'm eating right, I'm doing exercising, but except for the weekends where I have some cheat days. But anyway, you know what? I'm not a 0 anymore. I'm about a 12. But it's okay, because when I look at my body, I say to myself, you know what? I've got those stretch marks, right, from having children. I love my children. I have a little bit of weight gain, but it's showing that I've lived. I'm older, but I'm still relevant. And my dress size for this stage of my life, it is not how I define myself. And it shouldn't be for you either. Hey, we're amazing, wise, and wondrous women, and let's continue to show the world that we are indeed loving our age.